Canceling the Arro card usually isn't done by instantly deleting an account in one tap, because most credit products require you to clear your balance and close the account through support or in-app settings. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cancel Arro card, what you need to do before closing it, and the mistakes that can delay or block the cancellation. Start with the most important step. You cannot properly cancel a credit account if there is an outstanding balance. Any remaining balance has to be paid first. That includes recent purchases that may still be processing. If you try to close the account before clearing it, the request usually gets rejected or delayed. Next step is checking pending transactions. Some payments take time to fully post, especially after weekends or holidays. Wait until your balance shows fully updated before moving forward. Now, go to the cancellation method itself. Most users need to request account closure through the app support section or customer service channel tied to the Arro card. This usually involves submitting a closure request and confirming your identity for security reasons. Some systems also require you to verify that there are no active disputes or pending refunds. Now, look at subscription or linked services. If your Arro card is connected to recurring payments, those will need to be updated before closing the account. Otherwise, future payments may fail or cause billing issues with merchants. Next is credit impact. Closing a credit account can affect your credit profile because it changes your available credit and account history. That's why it's important to understand the timing before you close it completely. Now here is the step-by-step cancellation flow. First, pay off your full balance. Second, wait for all pending transactions to clear. Third, remove or update any subscriptions linked to the card. Fourth, go to Arro support or account settings. Fifth, submit a cancellation or account closure request. Sixth, confirm identity if required. Seventh, wait for confirmation that the account is closed. One common mistake is trying to cancel while transactions are still processing. That usually delays the entire request and forces you to restart the process. Another mistake is forgetting recurring payments, which can cause failed charges after the account is closed. Quick recap. Canceling Arro card requires clearing your balance, removing pending transactions, and submitting a formal closure request through support or the app. Timing matters because unfinished payments can block the process. Next step is simple. Check your balance and subscriptions first before initiating cancellation, so the request goes through without delays. Like and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step guides on credit cards and fintech apps without the confusion.